Oh, hey guys. Just finished another shoot. My name is Johan. You might know me as Johan Drone Adventures on Instagram. I've been traveling around the world for the past 2 years, taking beautiful drone shots just like this one. And I have a question for you. Are you spending hours and hours on YouTube trying to find good drone information? And afterwards, are you still unclear about the entire process, putting A and B together? It might be very frustrating. And I know, because I've been there. But drone photography is supposed to be fun, right? I mean, look at me. I'm passionate about flying the drone. I'm passionate about taking those photos. And I want you to have that same passion as well. In my experience, there are 3 levels. You have the drone owner, the drone pilot, and the drone adventurer. The idea is that if you put 1,000 photos on the table, the one photo of the drone adventurer will stand out immediately. And that's what we're going for. So I've got good news for you. I've put everything I've learned for the past 2 years into one online course. A course that will speed up your learning curve and help you become a confident drone adventurer just like me. In this course, I will teach you how to take those beautiful drone shots and those cinematic videos that you want to take with the drone. So in my masterclass, I will break down the entire process of drone photography into small, actionable steps that you can take as well. Then I will give you homework so you can practice them, because you need a lot of practice in order to get to this level of drone adventurer. And that is exactly how I'm going to help you build your confidence, by giving you homework and by giving you direct feedback in our Facebook group. So I have 3 modules in my course. The first module is all about the drone photography and about the cinematic videos. I will explain you exactly what elements you need to think about, what you need to focus on in order to get those shots from sort of drone pilot level to drone adventurer level. And I will focus on the creative aspect because I know that is the most difficult part. Now, once we've taken those beautiful drone shots, the beautiful videos, we are ready to move into the second module. The second module is all about editing. I will take you with me into Lightroom. We will edit the photos that we've taken and make sure they are edited in a beautiful way. I will explain you exactly what the tools do, why we use them, and I will tell you how to make those finishing touches so it looks pro. And on top of that, I will teach you how to get started in Premiere Pro, because I know Premiere Pro can be very intimidating in the beginning, and so I want to help you get started on your first video. Now, once we have those photos, we have those videos, it's time to earn some money. Now, in the third module, I will talk about partnerships, how you can use those banger photos, those cinematic videos in order to make partnerships with agencies, with websites, with brands, with resorts. And I will also explain to you how to make cash, money with your drone photography. So, are you ready to have fun? Are you ready to become a drone adventurer? This is the course for you.